Hey guys, knife detector here. My buddy Sean over at the EDC den made an awesome video. He made a video on what kind of EDC he had in his car console. And then I told him, Sean, that would make a fantastic tag. And then he said, well, consider yourself tagged. So I said to myself, let me make a quickie little fun video for this tag. And let me warn you, I do not keep my car as neat as Sean's. I don't have a cup holder in my little car. I have a little Nissan Versa. I only have a glove compartment. So I'm gonna alter this open tag. And at the end of the video, I might tag a couple of my buddies out there. So I'm not gonna say who I'm gonna tag yet. You don't have to do it, no obligation, of course, but it's all in good fun. And if you want to join in on this little tag that Sean inadvertently started. Okay, guys? So try not to judge me. I'm a bit of a pack rat and I'm a bit messy. So here goes. Okay, guys. I hope this is a good vantage point. I don't know if what I have in my glove box is clear here. Let's see what we got here, guys. This is a receipt for a chainsaw that I bought, a used chainsaw. I'm gonna pick that up during payday, after payday, which is tomorrow actually. I'm gonna go pick up a chainsaw I put on layaway at a pawn shop. Got a few trees I need to cut, so we're gonna set that aside. I just stuck it in there as proof, you know, glove compartment. All right, well, I also got my sunglasses. I like to rock these American Opticals. You know, these are from the 1980s. Really like these guys. See how they turn yellow here? Because they're so old. Now, these are my favorites, and I really like those sunglasses, but I have also some cheapos that I keep here. I think I bought these at the dollar store, and these are just some cheapos. When I can't find those or I leave them in my wife's car, I have the cheapos. Yeah. So let's see what else I got here. And don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. Let's see. You know, I probably just have stuff that all of you guys have in your glove compartments. You know, I'm pretty sure. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look. See, it's a machete. Of course, you're going to have a machete in your glove box. Where else would you put your machetes? I mean, you got your machete drawer, and you got, of course, the machete glove box. And what we have here is a Spec Plus machete, and this is from Ontario, USA. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Of course, you're going to have a machete. You know, that's just standard in the glove compartment. We're going to put that down here. I'll put that away later. Let's see, I have another sunglasses holder, but in here I have some pins, and nothing fancy, just some pins. But I also have this glass breaker that I bought. I ordered it from China. It took about 2 months to get here, but I only paid $3 for it, so go figure. It's a pretty cool glass breaker. It comes to a nice point, and it's also a pin, which is pretty cool. It does write. Of course, it's kind of gaudy, you know, sticks out with that gold color, but, you know, this can also be used as a weapon if you need it. So every once in a while, I put that in my leather carrying case, but I like to have it here in the car in case of emergencies. You know how it is. What else we got? Let's see. I got some gloves. You can never have too many gloves these days. Here's another generic pair of gloves. I don't know what brand they are. It says FG. Let's see. Also, I have another pair of gloves over here. This is kind of like in case I have to change a flat at night. These are reflective. These are pretty cool. I got these at Goodwill for $1. They're leather on one side, reflective on the other. Not bad. Have an old Icicles eyewear sunglasses case. No sunglasses, just my insurance information. Sadly, I lost my Icicle sunglasses about like 20 years ago. I kept the case though. I think I went to a restaurant and left them there. Called back. Nobody found them. Big surprise. And I have a user's manual to a digital converter box. I wonder how the heck that got in there. I don't even know what it's doing there, but it's there. And it'll probably go back there after this video. Go figure. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, let's see. We got a little carrying case. It's got a little Velcro carrying case. What's this? Some documents. Oh, I think it's a copy of my insurance information. Bought this at my neighbor Steve's garage sale. This is actually a pretty cool thing to have because you can have your tire air pressure gauge right here in case you're low. This is actually a small, it's a gauge also, but this is also to adjust the valves, this little tool to tighten the valve stem on your tire. Got that from him. Let's see, he used to work at a Firestone. And what's this? Okay. 1 free day going to go shooting card at this gun range, point blank gun range. That's pretty cool. I haven't used it yet. This thing's old. This is like from, I don't know, 5 years ago, and I kept it. I hope it's still valid. Okay. Let's see what else I got. Yeah. This I bought, I think I got this carrying case from my neighbor too at a garage sale he had, but I've loaded it with stuff I might need on the road in case, you know, I need help or somebody else needs help. So, of course, you got your flashlight, got a mag light here, and that works. So, glad that battery still works. What else I got? Let me put this down. Oh, forgot to turn it off. Okay, let's turn that off. Little video faux pas. All right, what else we got? We got also another tire pressure gauge. I used to have issues with my tires a while back, and sometimes I have to check my wife's tires. You got to keep those tires inflated properly, guys. And what else we got? Oh, check it out. I got my Leatherman skeletal right here. And this is good because it has a knife in it, you know, and among other tools, it's got the flathead right there and the Phillips, and of course their pliers. And this was gifted to me by my awesome brother-in-law Gino one Christmas. It's just a great tool to have, guys. This reminds me a lot of the original Leatherman, which you know I love. Let's see what else. I also have this thing right here. This is a huge heavy brass punch is what this is. It's not really that huge, but it's a pretty serious punch, and it comes to a major point right there, and it's got some weight to it. So this can be used to break glass in case of an emergency. You can use this to shatter a windshield or a passenger or driver side window glass in case you need to stop and render aid or something like that. I have that in there as well. Let's see, and that's that. That's my little carrying case. You can put this on your belt like that. What else I got? Okay. Nissan owner's manual. I'm not going to bore you with that stuff. But yeah, Nissan owner's manual. Hitting the bottom, guys. Hitting the bottom. All right, that's about it. There's like a plastic fork back there, but I don't think you care about that. So that's it, guys. You know, I wanted to say, hey, I want to say hey to my friend Sean out there. Hope you guys are doing really good. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Tomorrow's Friday. Well, actually, no. Today is Friday, but you're seeing this video on Sunday. Hey, today is Sunday. All right, guys, enjoy Sunday. This has been the Knife Detector saying keep your knives sharp, keep your wits even sharper. Now I'm going to have to put my machete back. I'm just kidding. You know I don't keep a machete in the glove box, right? You know I just did that for the sake of this video. I do not keep a machete in the glove box. No way, guys. I keep it in the trunk. Have a good one, guys. All right, guys, the moment you've been waiting for. Some of you guys already left this video. That's okay. I'm going to tag a couple of y'all. I'm going to make this an open tag. My buddy Sean started this, but I'm going to do an open tag because I think this is an awesome open tag. I'm going to, and you don't have to do this. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. It's okay. My feelings will not be hurt. I will survive, as the saying goes. But I'm going to tag Pete, Jersey Knife Guy. I'm tagging you. I bet you your glove compartment's immaculate, buddy. I bet you it's immaculate. And who else am I going to tag? I'm going to tag Tobias. Tobias, I'm wondering what you drive, buddy, and what your glove compartment looks like. I'll bet you it's immaculate, too. And let's see. Who else am I going to tag? I'm going to tag Williams Knife Life. Williams Knife Life. What does your glove compartment look like? Or console. Remember, this was originally a console idea from Sean. Let's anybody else who wants to do it. All right. Hey, guys, for reals, goodbye. Enjoy the weekend. Take care. Bye now. Seriously.